Hi everyone, my name is Nadine Olivia Berusemiring. You can call me Nadine. I am from 12 Healthy 2, and here I want to presentation about exposition text. The first is about definition, language feature, genre structure, and the last is kinds of exposition text. Definition of exposition text. An exposition text is a type of argumentative text that presents a reader's opinion on a topic and support it with facts and argument. Genre structure of exposition text. This is three. The first is thesis, 2 argument, and 3 is recommendation. The first is about thesis. Thesis is the opening paragraph that states the author's position in a topic. It introduces the issue and writer's opinion. 2. Argument. A series of paragraphs, typical 2 or more, that develop and support the thesis. Each argument should provide reason, evidence, or example to convince the reader of author's viewpoint. 3. About reiteration or recommendation. The including paragraph that restates the thesis in a new way to reinforce the main of the view. In our hortatory text, this part is a recommendation or call to action. Language feature of exposition text. First, using simple present. 2. Conjunction word used to connect ideas and argumentative. And the 3. Using modal verb. Exposition texts have two kinds. The first is about analytical exposition and 2 about hortatory exposition. And here we will talk about that. The first is about analytical exposition. Analytical exposition. Analytical exposition is a type of text that aims to persuade the reader that a certain opinion and idea is true by providing logical argument and evidence. Analytical exposition is to persuade the reader that an opinion or argument is true. The structure of analytical text is thesis, argument, reiteration, or recommendation. The second is about hortatory exposition. Hortatory exposition is a type of text that tries to convince and persuade the reader to believe something and to take action about it. Purpose of the hortatory exposition is to persuade the reader that something should or should not to be done. The general structure of hortatory exposition is thesis, argument, and recommendation to suggest what to do reader or not to do. Okay everyone, so the last is about example of exposition text, and here I'll take the example from our book. We can find in our book at page 77. The text is about tourists in preserving culture and heritage. In paragraph 1, we can find about thesis. The thesis is about tourists is not a threat to culture and heritage. It helps to protect and promote them by allowing people to learn about different traditional and monuments. In paragraph 2 and 3, we can find about argument. This is about argument. Talk tourists, tourists can express new culture and appreciate their difference. It makes local proud and encourage them to keep their traditional alive. At paragraph 4 and 5, we can find a reiteration or recommendation. Here about recommendation or reiteration. The recommendation is tourists also provide links to maintain culture and heritage sites. Therefore, tourism is important for representing our culture and heritage.